Hello friends, in this video we will see construction of DFA over input symbol a comma b, which will accept a b as substring. Means we have to construct the DFA which will accept the string containing a b as substring. So what is substring? Substring is a part of the string. So before construction of DFA, I will write all the possible values which will accept a b as substring. So first value is AAB, next value can be BAAB, then next value can be AAB, then next value can be triple B, then BABA, AAB and AAB, then we can write BAA, B, AAB and so on. So using this value we will construct the DFA which will accept AAB as substring. So in earlier videos also I told you the total number of states will be length of the substring plus 1. So here length of the substring is 3. So the total number of states will be 4. So first of all I will draw the 4 states. So Q0 will be initial state, then next state will be Q1, then next state will be Q2 and then Q3 which will be our final state. So if I take the string AAB, so here A, reaches to final state. Then next possibility is B, AAB, then double B, AAB, then triple B, AAB. So it is accepting any number of B. So what I will do, I will apply the loop of B here so that it will accept any number of B. So it will accept any number of B now. So B, AAB reaches to final state, double B, AAB reaches to final state, triple B, AAB reaches to final state. Now the string can end with A, end with B. So I will write that possibility here. So AAB, B, AA, double B, okay, AA, 4 times B, then AAB, then AAB, double A, then AAB, triple A. So it is ending with any number of A, any number of B. So AAB, and then if I apply the loop of A and B here, it will satisfy all the possibility and it will accept any number of A and any number of B. Now let us discuss the next possibility. So next possibility is you can say A, B, A, B, then A, double B, A, B, A, triple B, A, B. So what I can do, so A, here it is accepting any number of B and then AAB. So I will come back to Q0 for B. So you can see A, B, AAB reaches to final state, A, B, 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 any number of B and then AAB, so that it will reaches to final state. Now let us see the next possibility, B, A, B, A, B. So B, A, B, A, B reaches to final state. Then next possibility is A, B, A, B. So A, B, A, B, B reaches to final state. Now let us see next. Triple A in 4 times A. Now what to do in this case? So here you can see, before that let us discuss triple A B, 4 times A B, 5 times A B. Okay, so A. Now here if we apply the loop of A here, it will satisfy our condition. So if I apply the loop of A here, what will happen? A, any number, it will accept any number of A and then B. So if you look here, A, then A, and then B reaches to final state. So it will satisfy our all the conditions. Now let us see the next possibility is B double A, B AAV. So B AA, okay, and then B it reaches to final state, and then it will accept any number of A and B. So it is covering all the possible values, and which are nothing but the valid string. So this is the final DFA which will accept AAB as substring. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.